investments, financial investments, to make that happen. Carla, can you talk a bit about how mutual funds can help in that aspect?
Okay, so mutual funds, actually what's nice about it naman, it's an investment product. Now, it can actually help us grow our money. What I like about it is as low as 1,000 pesos or even 5,000 pesos, you're diversified. Meaning, you can place in several investment vehicles with that amount of money. And what's nice about it too is, it's the Sun Life Fund managers that are actually doing the investing for you. So, depending on your risk appetite, kung conservative ka na investor, or aggressive naman na investor, may particular Sun Life Prosperity Fund that can fit you. So kung ano man yung goal or yung time horizon, mamimili lang kayo sa suite ng Sun Life Prosperity Funds that are available. And so I think it's also an investment product that is very accessible to everyone. You can do it online, so meron din si Sun Life na ganon, or you can actually purchase a mutual fund through a financial advisor if you would need more advice.
And some of our winners will actually get to invest in a Sun Life Mutual Fund. Maya-maya malalaman natin kung sino yung winner na yan. But proceeding now with some questions from our friends from the press.